Alright, everybody, welcome back. I think we have some sound problems here. Alright, let's see if that's any better. Alright, I'm going to try to go into part two of Escape Corregidor, see if I can get myself out of this pinch we're in. All of a sudden, our fishing dried up, and we are sucking on meat. So we're going to try to, well, go on to the next turn. We switched the day. Go to B. Um, we already did the time change. Let's check for weather. 5. We had light rain, so it'll be 6. That'll be fair weather, which means we get no water this time, but I'll take that. We're going to roll for wind. 10. There will be wind. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and land because I like to avoid um, confrontation during daylight, and we're green, we can land. Then we can hit this at nighttime and try to be on the next. Well, one of the way or another, we'll get screwed on that. But we've got to try to get some more provisions in here. So we'll try to land. So we're going to go into table C1. I'm going to have to shrink that down a little bit so I can read it. Age, cream, and okay. This is one of the ones that got changed, so I'm making sure I know what's going on. Strong trait. Okay, the strong trait got he can carry 2 feuds. We did not get that trait, so we're going to go ahead and set up, and we're going to use these guys up here. And we're going to go to crew A, skills A. And we're going to make him crew B, skills B. I like to keep my skills out there where I can see them. C, skills C, D, E, F. All right. As far as what we're taking on the expedition, we'll get the binocs and stuff. We'll put them with our captain. Binocs and compass. Take a pistol along. We'll give that to the guy with the hunting skill with an ammunition. We'll put an extra ammunition on one of these guys. Take along a gift, medicine in case we only have the one, and equipment. Take along a water in case we have problems. And I think we're ready as we're going to be. Fishing gear stays on the boat. Okay, so we go then to C2. Going to search for a village. I really need to take a chance on this, so we're going to roll dice. Let's try to move this up a little bit so we can see everything. Make that a little bit lower. Actually, we don't really need to make that lower. Oops. We can actually see everything we really need to see right there. So let's roll for checking the dice out. It is daytime, fair weather. We have binoculars, no heavy rain, and the boat isn't on the map. We're going to add 2. 9, 10, 11. We have a native village discovered. We can attempt 1 trade, and it is daylight, so we don't need to worry about trying to steal. We'll go to, I believe it's C4. Yes, C4. Native village disposition. We're going to roll 1 die 6. And we get a 5. That means they're friendly, very nice. So we go to C5. We're going to roll to see if they will help us out. We're going to have +2 for being friendly, and we do not have the barter skill this time, so we're going to roll 1d6 and hope we get that +2. For 3. Nope, we refuse to help. We can threaten a village for their refusal to help. 1 to 3. I'm not going to force the issue on that. We don't need to do that. So we go to hunting. We have hunting skill. We don't have a rifle. We have the hunting skill, so we can do +1. I think it's that important that we do hunting now that we didn't do this we try to get some food. So 2 die 6 +1. 8, 9. Hunt successful. Okay. And we're going to use up one of our ammo. So we're going to roll 1 die 6, and that's the number of meat that we obtain. 2, wouldn't you know it? Well, 2's better than nothing. We'll take it. Alright, 7. Foraging. We're going to have to forage too. Again, it's daytime. None of that applies. 1 die 6. No, 2 die 6. 10. Foraging successful. We roll 1. Water found. So we roll 1 die 6 for water now too. Oh, the 2 meat don't go in here either. They go into our party. And we rolled, yes we did, a 1 for water. So we're really getting the good dice rolls again. Alright, this is what got me in trouble last time. My dice just deserted me. Random event, 10. No random event. Landed boat crew fishing. We have the fishing gear, which means we can fish, but we don't have the fishing skill, which has cost us. So 2d6, we don't add anything. 11, this time we got it. 1 large jellyfish, 5 meat units, and we are not out to sea, so we don't have to worry about the jellyfish giving us problems. So that's good. 5 meat units, so we're safe now for a little bit. Okay. Why did I do that? Alright, go to 11, random event for the crew, no. 12, no. 13, pathfinding check. We have the pathfinding skill. So we're going to add 1, 2d6 +1. 9, 10, we're successful. We'll return to the boat, so all this can go back. Return, 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 return to boat. Duh, I know I made that easy. Let's put all of our gear back now. Medicine, first aid, pistol. Well, we did lose some ammo, but to me that was worth it. Got water, 2 meats, got the gift still, and we still got some ammo. Everything's cleared out. We're good to go. Boom, done with that. This back over here. We return to the boat. Expedition land is returned in boat inventory. 14. Food and water consumption. Now we're fine. We can use up 3 of each. Um, 15. Landed boat departure. We depart the beach and we go to B1. And I did forget again to go landed. So we're going to go to B1. And we're going to go to nighttime. I'm going to roll for weather, subtracting 1 for fair weather. 8, 7, light rain. Good, I'll take light rain. Light rain's probably the best. And that is 1 die 6 for water. 3. That keeps us current. That's all we can ask for. We look for wind. 9, we have wind. I'm going to go for sail power. We go to B2. Nope, not B2, B3. Fishing, big one here. No modifiers. 9, 3 fish. Good, we're staying current. All right, and we're going to go to 4. Nighttime, no we're not. Go straight to B6, random event. D20, 14, no random event. B8, food and water consumption, 3 of each. And we're going to go to B9, boat power. We're using sails, so we don't have to worry about anything. We're going to go to nav check, 2D6. We have the nav skill, so we're going to add 1 for the nav, 1 for being in a green. That's +2. 7, 8, 9. We're on course. We can move to the next one. Puts us on 9. We don't have to check for engine failure. Go to B1, flip to daylight. Roll for weather, adding 1. 3, 4, back to fair weather. Means no water. I'm going to roll 2D6 for the wind. Get a 3, no wind. Nice. Fishing, 2D6, 10. That's better. 4 meat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Then we go to B4, enemy on contact aircraft. This time we have to do it. Yeah. It's like I missed a day somewhere. Did I? I don't remember flicking that. We went today when we did our. Hmm. We went today, did our expedition, came back, went to B2, went to night, moved, and we came today. Yeah, we're all right. I think. Sometimes I lose track of things. That's what I get for playing after work. Um, but it seems all we ever do is work, so you gotta play sometime. Weekends are busy too. Um, so we're gonna check for aircraft. We're on -2 for map 1 or 2. 5. Of course, we're gonna make contact A. Roll 1 die 3. 3, of course, makes 1 attack B. Roll 1 die 4. 1 die 6. 4. Strafe with gun C. Roll 1 die 6. 4. Strafing hits boat E. 1 die 6. 5. Item hit G. 1 die 6. 2. Number of items hit. For each item, roll 1 die 20 to come. Okay. 2 hits. Okay, so we're going to roll D20. 17, no item hit. Second one, 16, no item hit. Very nice. I'll take that. And I believe that means he is gone. All right. B5, enemy contact ships, 2D6, 9, 7, no enemy ships. B6, random event, 13, no random event. 8, food and water consumption. 9, boat power. We have no wind, so we're going to have to use engine, which means we're going to use up a fuel. And that means we'll put another one up there on the 5. Okay. Going to do nav check +1, 10, 11. We're safe. We're going to move to the next one. Engine check. We have to check this time. That's D6. 2, no engine failure. Go to B1, go to night. Roll for weather. -1 for fair. 9, 8, light rain. We're going to roll 1 die 6 for water. We get 2, better than nothing. Going to roll for wind. We get 10. We have wind. Very nice. We can put our sail power back up. We're going to go to B3, do some fishing. We got no modifiers, 8, 2 fish, better than nothing. No enemy contact at night. Random event check. D20, 12, no random event. 8, food and water. Getting a little tight on water again. Not very comfortable on meat neither. Boat power. We have sails, so we don't have to worry about nothing. Nav. We're going to 2d6 +1 for 5. We're off course. Up 6. Are we in? No, we're not. Damn. Okay. Night and fair. Light and rain. So yes, there's no way around it. We're staying right where we're at. All right. Go to B1. We don't get to move. Roll for weather. +1. 5, 6. Fair. Oh, we got to go today now. We got fair weather. Again, we don't roll for water, which is going to suck, and we can't go inbound neither. So this is where we get hurt. I'm going to roll for wind. 7. We have wind at least, so we'll stay under sail. Fishing. 11. Jellyfish again. Possible crewman injury. One to 3 safe. I'm going to take a chance and roll 1 to 3. Oh yes, we got it. So we got the 5 meat and no injury. All right, good fishing. Enemy contact aircraft. -2, 7, 5. We have contact with aircraft. 1 die 6, 6. Aircraft fails to notice boat and departs area. Go to B5 for ships. 2d6, -2. 7, 5, no enemy ships. B6, random event. 3, no random event. 8, food and water consumption. We're going to have to mark off 6 crew members as getting no water. We'll do these guys down the bottom again. That's going to be 13. Okay, 10. 8, is that 18? 15. 16. 8. And 18. Alright, we took our hits. B9, boat power. Again, we have wind. We're going to go a sail. Navigation, big roll here, +1. 8. We're on course. We can go ahead and move to the next. And no check for engine problems. Going to go to nighttime. Rolling for rain. -1. 12, 11. Heavy rain. Thank goodness. Heavy rain. We're going to roll 2d6 for water. We get 7. That's a good roll. 1, 2, 5. All right. Roll for wind. 7. We have wind. Good. B3 fishing. 2d6. No wood modifiers. 2 fish. All right, can breathe a little sigh now. Night times, there'll be no sightings. Random event. 12, no random event. Water, food, and water. We're going to go to 9, boat power. We're going to stay with the sail. Navigation +1. And we have a heavy rain, so it's a -1. We're in a green +1. So +1. 6, 7. On course. We can move to the next one. This is daylight now. I'm going to roll for weather. +2. 6, 7, 8. Going to be light rain. Alright, and we're going to go for rolling 1d6 for water. That's 6, a very nice roll. Alright, we're going to roll for wind. Doesn't matter because I plan on staying here, but yes, we have wind. And then we're going to go to C1 because I'm going to land. I don't think I'm going to send out an expedition now. We're in pretty good shape. So let's just go fishing and hope for the best. So we'll go to C. C1, we're not going to set up an expedition. We're not going to search. We're not going to steal. We're not going to worry about that, or that, because we stayed with the boat. Fishing, 2d6. 10, very nice, 4 meat. Alright, 11, random event for the whole boat. 3, no random event. 13, no worries about that. Food and water. We don't have to check for any expedition return, so we just depart. We're going to go to nighttime now. Back to the B. We're going to check for weather, adding 1. 8, 9, be light rain again. Roll 1d6 for water. We get 5, very nice. We're going to roll for wind. 4, no wind. Go to engine power, and I might as well take off my fuel right now. Fishing, 2d6. 8, 2 fish. As long as we're bringing something in, that's better than nothing. 4, enemy contact. Nope, not one at night. Random event. 1, no random event. 8, food and water consumption. And 3. 9, boat power. We did already that. We subtracted our fuel. We said we're running the engine. Nav check +1. +1. And we are in a blue, if I'm not mistaken. No, we're in green. So we get +1, +2. 10, 11, 12 on course. We move into 13. Going to check for the engine to fail. 4, no engine failure. B1, daylight. New turn, day night. We're going to add 1. 9, 10. Heavy rain. 2d6. We get 6 water. And that's all we can get is 3. Alright. We're going to roll for wind. 7. We have wind. Alright, we're going to go to B3, do some fishing. 9. Very nice. 3 fish. And we go to B4. We have to roll this time because it's daylight. Roll 2d6. -2. +2. 0. 7. No enemy aircraft. Ships. -2 +2. 2. Made contact. A. 5. Ship fails to notice boat and departs the area. Very nice. Thank you. Random event. 17. No random event. 8. Food and water. Alright. 9. Boat power. We go back to the sail. We lose nothing. Navigation check. -1. +1 is 0. 9. On course, move to the next one. Alright, go back to B1. Nighttime. Roll for weather, +2. 11, 12, 13. Storm. Not good. 2d6 for water. 5. We can only get 3 anyway. When it rains, it pours. Ha ha ha. Yeah, no. Stick to gaming and not joking. Definitely not good at that. Wind check. We have no wind. No wind, but a storm. Very nice. And we're on blue, so we can't even go in. Storm check. 2d6. 6. No event. B3. Fishing. Can't. Storm. B4. No contact. B6. Random event. 16. No random event. 8. Food and water consumption. Alright, B9, boat power. Well, we don't have that wind, so we got to use our fuel. Navigation, -3. -2. 6-4, off course. We're going to remain in the current zone. Not nice. 2d6 for, oh, daylight. 8, 9, 10, 11. Heavy rain. I'll take that, though. I'll take that. 2d6 for water. 4. We need some good fishing, guys. Wind. 11. We have wind. Oh, forgot to roll for engine. We didn't have an engine problem. Fishing. That was the last turn in the storm. Fishing. 7. 1 fish. Well, that's going to save us from losing points. Daylight. We have to do it. Enemy aircraft. 2d6. -2. +2 is 0. 8. No enemy aircraft. Same with ships. +2, -2. 6. No ships. Random event. D20. 13. No random event. 8. Food and water. Oh, come on now. Alright, 9, boat power. We will go back to our sail. Navigation, +1. 8, 9 on course. We'll move to the next one. And I think I'm going to hold it there and we'll start the next one. That's a half hour. That's probably good. We'll start the next one at going into nighttime right here. I think I may try to hold out there and go do a little foraging to get ready for this because we are out of food. So I don't want to push it or where we're at. We're looking pretty decent. I'll thank you guys for joining me, and let's see what happens in the third episode. Thanks again. You all have a great night.